Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to use Robinhood for long-term investing. Alright, let's begin. To start, open the Robinhood app and go to the investment page. Select the asset you want to invest in, such as stocks, ETFs, or cryptocurrency. Next, click on Buy or Trade and choose whether to purchase by dollar amount or shares. For long-term investing, set up a recurring investment. Select Auto Type, enter the start date, frequency, preferred payment method, and the amount you want to invest regularly. This helps in dollar cost averaging, reducing the impact of market fluctuations over time. Robinhood offers various investment options, including US exchange-listed stocks, ETFs, option contracts, and ADRs for over 500 globally listed companies. This allows you to build a diverse long-term portfolio. So that's basically how you can use Robinhood for long-term investing. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.